Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kodisa. I'm your host Utpal and today we'll be looking at this problem. Find the pick element, which is a medium leet code problem. So let us first read through the problem. Okay. So pick element is an element that is strictly greater than its neighbors. Given a zero index integer array nums, find the pick element and then return its index. If the array contains multiple picks, return the index to any of the picks. Okay, so if there are multiple picks that is occurring, we can return the index of any of the picks. You may imagine that nums minus 1 equal to nums of n equal to minus infinity. In other words, an element is always considered to be strictly greater than a neighbor that is outside the array. You must write an algorithm that runs in O of log n times. Okay, fine. So here you can see the peak element is 3 and its index is 2. Fine. Okay, and we have to do it in log n times. Cool. So let us first take a maximum and then assign it to nums of 0. Okay, so we're assuming that this is our maximum, and then basically we'll start comparing it against the other elements and then find the peak. Okay, and also to remember that it is asking for the index of the peak and not the peak element. Okay, cool. So let us assign peak equal to 0 and let us get the length of the nums. Okay, so for I in range, or basically for index in range of 1 till L, because we have already assigned our zeroth element to max. Okay, if max is less than nums of I, then what we need to do is we need to update the max. Max is equal to nums of I and pick is equal to I. Okay, and then we need to return. Okay, so right now we have assigned the zeroth element to max. We have assigned 0 to pick, and then we are comparing the first element with the next element, or basically like we'll keep on comparing. If it is less than, then max will get updated and peak accordingly will get updated to the index of the max. Let us see if it works or not. Great. It is working as expected. Let me submit it. I hope it gets accepted. Great. It got accepted, and I hope you understood the problem. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And it will motivate me to create more videos. Thank you. We'll meet again next time.